Hey guys, how's it going? Andy out here once again. Citywide Realty, broker with Citywide Realty, property manager for Alsa Residential. We just finished our latest remodel project. We've got a duplex here in San Antonio, 159 Yuma Street. It took us a little over 8 weeks, a little over 2 months to remodel, but it's done. A lot of hard work. Got my team members here. They really busted hump. Let me show you what we have. It is July 2nd, so obviously we've got the air conditioning on. This thing is ready for lease, okay? We purchased this property for $110,000, put about 20K, a little over 20K into it, and now we're ready to get some renters in here. In fact, we've got this side ready. We did have a little bit of an issue. We had to reinforce the firewall. We added another 5/8 sheetrock to each side, plus some insulation in the cavity, but it's all done. As you can see here from the before and after, this thing is ready to go. It's got some side access here. We added some handrails to the stairs. Again, that AC is blowing. It feels great in here. All we need is a refrigerator and a stove. We've got the main bath. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We've got the laundry facilities here. Second bedroom, again, a little over 8 weeks on the job, but it's ready to go, ready to rent out. We're gonna get 1,600 in rents. We've got the back patio, it's been stained, painted. Big difference. We've got a waiting list on people that want to move in. Let me show you the other side. This is the second side here. Look at that. Just as beautiful. We got all the ceiling fans there, lights, electric. So guys, this was an abandoned building. This building had been sitting for over 5 years. We came in, we put some muscle behind it, we put some money into it, we met the code that the city wanted, and it's good to go. This is the kind of project that we're talking about. This is the kind of stuff that we like to do for you, for your clients. Here's that other bath, beautiful bath. This thing now has life, okay, ready to go. Same layout, inverted layout, 2-bedroom, 1 bath on each side. Again, we have a waiting list of people looking to move in. A little over 8 weeks on the job. I've got a great crew. Thank you to my crew. Thank you to all the people that helped us make this possible. Really, guys, this is all I've got to say for now. This is the last bedroom, but call us. Number 512-784-0048. Again, that's 512-784-0048. I'm ready to help you buy, sell, lease. I'm here for you. 15 years in the business. Thank you.